this video, we are going to take you through the steps on how to replace the piston and liner assembly in your 800 thermostatic mixing valve. Before we begin, make sure you have a copy of the installation and maintenance manual that can be found at temperedwater.com in the documents library. In this document, you will find how to maintain the valve, test the valve, a parts breakdown, and even how to set the valve to the system. So for today's video, there are going to be a few tools that you are going to need. You are going to need either a pipe wrench or a pair of channel locks, some silicone or some grease, and your 800 series piston and liner repair kit. That includes a piston and liner assembly and a bottom plug gasket. Let's get started. So now we're going to go through the process of replacing the piston and liner in your 800 series thermostatic mixing valve. The first thing you're going to want to do is isolate the mixing valve from the system. So we're going to turn off the recirc pump, turn off your hot water supply, turn off your cold water supply, and shut off the outlet flow to the facility. Then you're going to take your pipe wrench and you're going to place it on the bottom plug and remove the piston and liner. It is a good idea to have a bucket underneath this process because water will drain out of this valve once you get this bottom plug off. Once you have the bottom plug off, pull out your piston, reach up inside with 2 fingers, or the best you can, and pull out your piston. Now you'll want to take your replacement piston and you will want to put that back up in there. And once you firmly have that in place, take your replacement piston and place it back into the mixing valve. Then you're going to take your bottom plug and your bottom plug gasket and apply grease to the bottom plug to hold that gasket in place so it doesn't slip around or get pinched. And make sure that spring is back inside there, and then replace the plug. And once you feel like you have that good and snug, let's go ahead and turn the water back on to make sure that we don't have any leaks. Not seeing any leaks on the mixing valve, you have finished the replacement of the piston and liner. Again, if this valve is not set to the temperature that you want, we do have a video on the website, temperedwater.com, that shows you how to set the mixing valve to the system. Thanks for watching.